Hi, my name is Yas and welcome to my course Web Performance for Progressive Web Apps on Pluralsight. This intermediate level course takes you on a journey starting from how to measure your application's performance to where to start when it comes to performance optimizations. From there, we will review many different techniques both on the server and client side which will help us boost our application's performance, increase user satisfaction, and bring up its ranking on search engines. You will also see how we need to be focused on user-centric metrics at all time, how we can speed up page rendering time using critical rendering path, and adapt to users' condition changes and deliver a great user experience using some modern web browser APIs. Throughout this journey, we will work on an application designed for people of Wonderland to help them find the best time to catch the city train, find out about any potential scheduled maintenance, buy tickets, and much more. This application will help you navigate your way throughout this course, follow along with the modules, and be a point of reference for your own development. Now, I do assume that you have a basic understanding of web development and are familiar with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You will also need to have a text editor if you want to follow along with the demos, and at last, you need to have Node.js and NPM installed on your machine. By the end of this course, you will be able to comfortably start your investigation into any web application, whether progressive or not, and take the necessary steps to improve its performance. I hope you will join me throughout this journey, and if so, let's get started.